Yeah, well,
Oh, do we want to switch to the mongooses?
to the monkeys.
It doesn't really matter because we're gonna go get the missile launcher things.
Yeah, I'm just thinking for the initial bit because the AI with the rockets are pretty accurate.
Strong.
Let's go.
I'm
Well,
gonna switch from my warhawk.
I mean,
from
we're in a
my-
warhog. You're the chosen one.
You're the chosen one.
Get in.
Yeah, Warhog.
Yay.
Get in there, motherfucker.
Can drive
Ooh.
on the Master Chief ship.
Yeah. He is actually pretty accurate with that shit.
Okay. Oh,
Oh, Banshees.
Yeah.
And
I'm
ghosts.
dead.
Yeah, a billion ghosts just came around the corner.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead.
I have ceased to exist.
Look at that shot!
It's on the move as well. It's not sitting still.
No. There's a
Oh,
chopper
shit.
behind us. I'm on the chopper, but I can't shoot the ghost too.
Oh, we lost some marine.
We lost
Oh
Marine.
no, I lost my gun. Oh, I lost everything.
Yeah. We don't need to rush to kill the second one. Let's clear out the area first.
Yeah, that's what I was
Good
thinking.
idea.
Yeah, because this chopper's like a pain in the dick.
Oops, there he goes.
Right, there we go, one down. Just gotta see the ghosts.
Oh, my fucking marine got launched.
Just fucking got oh,
Oh,
shit,
shit.
behind us!
Right, the marine aimed up. I assume it tried to shoot a phantom.
So, careful, Liam.
Oh, it's the second ghost.
Can you get in that hornet?
No, the one on the ground.
Oh, what the fuck?
What just happened?
What
I
happened?
was already dead.
Oh, okay.
Alright, I think our marine blew us up.
Oh. Damn Marine!
I think your marine is the one that nearly that obliterates my marine.
How do you miss?
Oh,
Oh fuck.
Sorry,
me.
boys.
It's alright.
That's me.
Oh fucking
Ow.
hell.
oh, the phantom.
I think
Ah,
That was
oh,
harsh.
Right. Yeah, sorry, yeah. The Wraith. Phantom got us. That was...
Phantom boy.
Yeah, give it a wide berth. Let's go around this way, Ben.
Oh, hello,
Oh,
hello.
he just drops off ghosts.
Jesus!
was gonna land on top of us.
Oh no. Get on, dude. Get on. Get back on. Thank you.
Hoping the marine would take it out.
Oh,
Yeah.
he missed. He
I want him
didn't
to be a
miss.
little more consistent, to be honest. Oh, there's a brute.
Actually-
It was behind us.
Banshees up high. Two of them.
Hey, look, Ben, just go up to the thing on the platform. Take the fucking. We'll just get. Isn't there like the missile
dead.
launcher?
Yeah, yeah,
things?
yeah. Next
My
turn.
marine fucking exploded. And
Oh
there
dear.
you go. This time,
You just spawn spinning. That's what makes me laugh.
Oh my god.
my marine does not have a good time.
Shit. Oh my god.
I might have to just maybe drive forward first and maybe drive
Yeah,
around.
Round to the left, yeah. Fucking god, the grunt just drove off a cliff.
Oh, did you die as well, George?
No, I didn't die.
Wasn't
it was
me.
Rowan.
Behind.
That's nice. Well,
That guy drove off a cliff again. Go, 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 go. Ow! Oh, you died that time. Ah, we were so close. We're so close.
Run. That was close.
like I have to save my fucking marine. I've got to do some dramatic things.
Get it. There we go.
Yes.
We done Marine. Finally.
Heavy metal.
There we go. Liam's in the position. Heavy metal.
Banshees are down.
Woo!
Did someone? Oh, I think the the Marine took the Warthog back. The Mongoose.
Oh, on the left.
So many rockets.
Whoa.
I blew one up.
Yay! Good
I'm
job.
dead.
Oh wow.
Did you get hit by
died.
the debris?
No, it was it's one of the ghosts from down low.
Oh,
all the way
no.
back here. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
Oh, hello. Oh dear.
This is bad. Yep. The ghost following us is just. We've got to get lucky on
Yeah.
the ghost. There. It was fine. Oh, Rowan died instantly.
I don't know what the fuck happened there.
Bad roll.
Oh,
Oh,
Whoa. Oh my god. Is that death?
Shoot
Oh.
at the Marine.
That
my
was death.
fucking
Oh god.
internet is. It's my Marine.
Oh, sorry.
Rowan.
My Marine went on took me on a little adventure. I think my Marine shoots the ground right in front of me, and I get fucking
Yeah.
he kills himself. I'm like, what?
Well, and that's not the third time I saw a Marine just fly past my screen.
Thanks for the lift.
Fellow Marine?
Alright, I'm on the thing. Banshees are targeted. One down. Can't see the other one, he's too far out. Can't lock him yet, can't lock him, can't lock him.
Come in.
Oh, Phantom's gonna come in first.
Oh, I already got a Marine.
Just destroy it.
Shooter!
It's gone.
One on the right. Shoot at the ghosts. Shoot at the ghosts.
Oh, what happened there?
Oh, and I won't be there. Missiles coming down everywhere.
We lost a lot of points. I don't know.
Probably Marines dying.
Yeah, oh no.
Blowing up like a hog or something.
Uh oh. Oh,
Oh!
that was close.
It landed all around me.
And me.
Right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh no, wait, it's the scarab.
Garib, yeah.
That ain't doing anybody's back no good.
Judgment. What's that sound? Hello,
Oh my god.
hello, friend. Ow, ow, ow. Oh. Shoot him in the arse, Liam.
What?
I'm saying shoot him in the arse and the thing will pop off and then you can shoot him in the face.
I'm on the crane.
Oh. I
Yeah,
thought-
he's
who's
on the
on
other one.
Oh, it's just a Marine, sorry. I just saw rockets in his Jew.
Throw in that move. Oh, you lucky man. We got a Marine on a ghost down there.
Hold on. Seems to want to come towards me. Huh! Oh! No! I fell off the... Damn it.
What?
Hi, George.
Legs are
So
fucked.
That's good. Someone there?
Yeah, I'm on the road. Right next to it. I'm coming in. Oh,
Go on, Ben. Go, George. Go on. Get in there.
in. I'm in.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Uh,
I nearly died by my Marine.
Alright, it's down. Stay alive.
Don't you dare die on me, boys.
Always satisfying.
It just threw the Marine mongoose, killed one of the dudes in the back. Oh.
Alright, coming back down. Oh, I can't come back. Alright, I just jump off.
What hood?
Follow us. We'll get you through.
Mine.
They closed the door
What?
on me again.
Rowan got teleported, but I didn't. What was that?
I don't know. Favoritism.
Yep, pretty much. Oh my god, these Marines, get out of my way.
Out of the way, Marine.
Oh shit. Oh, nearly shot a Marine.
Do it.
Do it.
Come on, do it now.
Come on, shoot
What?
me. Oh. Jesus. Someone killed a Marine.
It might have been me.
I don't know.
But
I
it's
tossed a
only 'cause he
grenade.
got thrown.
I tossed a grenade in there, so it might have been me.
Whoa.
Oh,
Oh fuck.
oh.
There's a noise again.
Oh, we died. Okay.
Oh, all the way back here.
Bomb.
Dum bum bum ba ba da ba dum ba ba da ba dum. Da 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 da. Da na 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 na. Da na 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 na.
Another bit of friendly fire.
I just fucking launched rockets at them. They shouldn't be so close to the enemy.
Sounds like
Spacing,
they're
people,
horses, don't they?
spacing.
Exactly.
Oh, there was 3 round there.
I know, yeah. That's alright, I'm here with you, friendo.
Yay.
To save your ass, motherfucker.
Blair.
Oh.
I blinded them. Oh, okay.
Oh my god.
How about some of that?
Oh fuck.
Haha.
Haha, you don't have the pure
Oh.
skill. Oh, grenade.
Well,
Another
that
one.
needs to not make sense.
Oh, Ben in there with a fucking melee.
Yeah.
Jesus. Dangerous game.
Double bubbles.
Bubble.
Oh,
Hunters.
oh. Thousands of them.
Hunters, sir. But my lord,
Oh,
hundreds will die.
Thousands.
one's down, I think. No, he's just got pushed way back. Okay, now that one's dead. Don't get up. Good boy. Stay down. Oh, what a stick. I did it again. There's your boy. There's your noise. Noise of the week. Just hear beat battle rifles. Just,
Oh,
Oh wow.
who was that?
it was me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Unfortunate.
Yeah, blown the fuck out. Don't even know what by.
Oh, sorry, Ryan, shot you in the back of the head.
Up. He's invincible.
Right.
Back up. Why can't I back up?
No one's
Marines in the
invincible.
way.
Oh, he launched himself. He's not invincible.
Oh.
Oh, there you go. Nice. Good rocket.
Alright, so I believe that's everyone dead. Oh no, there's one here.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Ah. Shields, please, come back.
Flashing fire of all that remains for them when we
Someone. There we go.
I know what the ladies like.
Like it in the ass.
Whoa. Problem.
Okay.
Well,
Chief, Hood ships are closing fast. Destroy that gun. We're out of time.
If you can time it right, Rowan, you can get that. You gotta
Right.
shoot like just when you before it. Alright.
And
Fire!
don't fall off the side of the end.
Oh, that was good. I think it shot a little too high though.
Bit too high.
We'll
Oh,
get it.
just, oh,
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 a little bit of lag. It's alright.
Just a weird bit.
oh.
everyone got your grenades ready? Oh, there's a lot. Brutes in the back of your rod.
Just off. Just a fucking second off.
I missed my shot as well.
We got it.
There you go.
Good work, boys.
I got a. That'll be last one for me for a little bit. But
I think we did pretty good.
I mean, we died a lot.
Yeah.
yeah,
Oh,
but
yeah.
it was always in like one or two spots. It wasn't consistently.
Yeah. There was one bit that really fucked us over.
We got walled,
Like, 2
but
minutes fucked us over.
we eventually ploughed through it.
How do they activate that from uncovering it? Surely there should be a mission where we go inside of the thing.
Maybe
and turn it on.
uncovering it activates it.
That's silly.
It's
Why?
funny that you mention that, Liam, because there's 3 cut missions in this game.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
Cut content. Boo.
There was you know, the Cortana level.
Yeah.
Imagine that, but a lot sooner. You know, after the next level where we deal with the flood.
Yep.
There's supposed to be a level after that where we explore that ship and find Cortana.
Ah.
And then there was meant to be another one in between, I think, the Ark and the Covenant level,
Oh.
where you actually take on a Guardian, which is like a Promethean thing, or like a, what's the word?
But Forerunner.
Forerunner.
Did you hear the brute?
Ah,
No, that was
that was Arbiter.
that was Arbiter
Oh, why did you go R?
because he's
Angry.
To
annoying.
express his emotions.
He
Yeah,
sounded
man.
like a brute. I thought it was one of the brutes we left alive just coming up behind.
Ah.
We did. George Slay say we left no brute alive, and yes, that was easy for me to say.
I can tell. What's the damage?
Yeah. How many? Ooh.
Roman with the mass genocide of the Marines.
You know
Wow.
what it is? I think,
I think
you know that bit where I kept on like spinning out.
Flying over us, yeah.
Yeah, because I think that's the my marine like shot the ground in front of us.
Oh,
So I think that might be that.
I killed 26 wraiths.
That was just
Yeah.
that one mission. Like
Just over and over and over.
That's
Liam killed 114 grunts.
that was just running them down, and then brutes is right at the end. The next page, George got 59. I got 48. Rowan with 15, and Ben with 20.